Welcome to the instructions video for the Series Inductors interactive calculator. This calculator helps you quickly determine the total inductance when multiple inductors are connected in series. It's an essential tool for filter design, power supplies, and RF circuit applications. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter the inductance values for each inductor in your series circuit. Start by entering your first inductor value, for example 10 millihenries. Then add your second inductor, let's say 22 millihenries. You can add additional inductors as needed. For our example, we'll add a third inductor with 47 millihenries. The calculator uses the series inductance formula, where total inductance equals the sum of all individual inductances. Once you've entered all your values, click the Calculate button to see your total series inductance displayed in the results section. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.